How to set RAM plus virtual memory to 2 GB, 4, 6 or 8 GB. First tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on device care. After that, go down, then tap on memory. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on RAM plus. In here, make sure RAM plus is turned on. Then from here you can choose to set a size 2, 4, 6 or 8 GB, which your phone can use your internal storage space as a virtual memory section. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.